Well, markets have had no shortage of tricks up their sleeves this week. After yesterday's ugly close, stocks rocketed higher today, especially midday, after news hit that Trump canceled some scheduled attacks on Iran, and that headline sent the dollar lower, crude oil lower, bond yields lower, and risk assets sharply higher. The big question now is whether this rally carries into tomorrow and sends stocks back toward new all-time highs, or whether this was a headline-driven pop that gets excited buyers leaning the wrong way before another turn lower next week. Let's walk through what Grok Trade is seeing after today's headline-driven rally. And quick reminder before we get into the charts. This is not financial advice, not a buy or sell recommendation, and not a reason to chase, short, panic, or force a trade. Grok Trade is sharing market commentary, technical analysis, chart-based perspective, and trader education. So trade the chart in front of you, manage your risk, and speak with a qualified financial advisor for guidance specific to your situation.
Trading this headline tape is basically like sailing a squall. The momentum just flips instantly.
Oh, exactly. I mean, look at the catalyst. DXY just slammed lower right off that resistance trend line we actually mentioned yesterday.
Which sent bonds rocketing.
Right, breaking that US 10Y support trend line from earlier this week.
Yeah.
But you mentioned momentum flips, and CL futures are a perfect example.
Yeah, light crude just slammed lower toward that Wednesday, May 6th low near $84.50.
Which sets up a really tricky dual threat. Like, if it breaks that $84.50 level, it's officially setting lower highs and lower lows.
So a clear downtrend.
Yes. But alternatively, it's sitting right in this bullish falling wedge.
Right, which is exactly why you have to hedge when appropriate. You need to control your risk with excellent controls because, well, news events work both ways.
Yeah, they can flip a chart before you even know it.
So you have to trade the chart in front of you, not the story you want to be true. Remember, mark the meerkat, cut your losers short, and let your winners run.
That is such crucial advice for this kind of headline-driven environment.
Drop a comment and tell Grok Trade what stock or market question you want covered in an upcoming episode. And if these daily market updates help you stay sharp when headlines start moving the tape, hit the like button and subscribe so you can catch the next recap.
And, looking at those setups, XLB recovered strongly today, getting right back inside its symmetrical triangle.
Oh, wow, after yesterday's breakdown.
Yeah, exactly. Plus, XLF finally closed above its 200-day moving average, and JPM's remaining super important after that test yesterday.
It's just ironic, though, isn't it? This whole risk-on rally completely ignored the hot PPI print.
Oh, totally. I mean, 1.1% month over month is hot, but the market just brushed it off. And as for the metals, gold and silver are screaming higher, sure, but they are just bouncing from some significant technical damage we saw earlier this week.
So it's a relief rally for now. Which brings us to the real question. Does tomorrow confirm today's massive rally, or does the market reject it and roll back over?
Well, you'll need to watch those key levels. Keep a close eye on Michigan sentiment, that Iran headline narrative, oil, yields, the dollar, materials, financials, Bitcoin, gold, and silver.
We'll see if stocks push higher or roll back over.
But just something to chew on before we go. If one canceled strike can violently reverse all the major indices like this, how much fragility is actually hiding beneath today's green tape?
Have a great rest of the day, everyone, and we'll catch you tomorrow as we track all of it.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you're a newer trader and want a great foundation with no fluff, start with our free Trading 101 videos at groktrade.com/learn. And if you're ready to reach your full trading potential, whether you're a total beginner or a battle-hardened trader, check out our mentorship program at groktrade.com/trading mentor. All of these links are in the description below. Grok Trade is where traders reach their full potential.